In today's video, I'll be exposing the biggest prop firm in Nigeria. I posted a video some months ago, I think last month, on how I made $520 trading with a prop firm.
Nice.
Then a user commented on that video. He said, "Please sir, are you still using Consummate Traders?" Consummate Traders was the prop firm I used in that particular video. And I responded, I said, I still have 2 accounts with them. Then he commented again, he said lots of negative complaints about Consummate Traders. Even the co-founders have backed off from the prop firm to maintain self-dignity. What do you have to say concerning this, sir? Because you have followers who are looking up to you, sir. There are a lot of sirs in this text, and by the way, nobody should look up to me.
What?
Yes, that's a financial advice. So what I'll be doing in this video is to expose them. What are they about? I would go to the back end and show you everything that is happening, so that you can make an informed decision before using them or before trading with them. Are you interested? Then let's get started.
And you are now about to feel the strength of street knowledge.
Alright guys, so I'm logged into the Consummate Traders platform, and as you can see here, these are the profits I've made for the past 1 week. I made $30 here, I made $60 here, I made $21 here. And I was only able to make this profit based on price action analysis that I have documented in this book, Hack to Price Action Trading. You can get it on wallstreetfinance.com. I'll put the link to get it in the description of this video. Back to Consummate Traders. Now, will I be able to withdraw this money? We are about to find out. So I would withdraw the money in this account, and on this account I won't touch this one because I still have some trades running on MT5 that are still in profit. I'm waiting to close them, and I will do that next week because it is a swing trade. You know, I'm a swing trader. Okay, let me now move the money. This profit you are seeing is still in MetaTrader 5. It has not yet come to Consummate Traders. Now I have to withdraw this money from MetaTrader 5 to Consummate Traders. So let's first try this one. Yes, I want to withdraw my money. It's processing. Can you see I've gotten a notification, withdraw under revision. It's fine, I will wait for you to revise. Then on this account, the same thing. Yes, withdraw. It's processing. Waiting. Are they fraud? The same prompt came up, withdraw under revision. Once they finish reviewing, just give me my money and let's see if they would. We are all about to find out. I'll give you an update. Alright guys, I am back with an update. Remember, we made some withdrawal requests. Now let's see what has happened. Right, today is 7th of April. I made the withdrawal request 31st March, but I didn't see my money. By the way, yes, can you still remember this account? $60 running before, and I told you that some trades were running on the account. Yes, those trades, they've hit their take profit level, and I have 207. And remember, we made withdrawal request on this account and this one, right? So after I made that withdrawal request, the account went back to $5,000. Again, I've made some trades. I've earned $76 on this account, and I have some trades again running on this one. Now, this is what I did when the money was not forthcoming. I sent them a message on April 2nd. See, hello, please, I made a withdrawal request from the profit from my 2 trading accounts on 31st March, and I'll be getting the notification that withdraw under revision. You still remember that notification? For the past 2 days, please, why is it taking too long to process my withdrawal request? Help look into it and resolve promptly. So I sent it to them 8:11 when I got back from my daytime job, and they responded 8:22 p.m. just 11 minutes after. Good evening, welcome to Consummate Trader, blah blah blah. It takes 72 hours to a week to process. Exercise patience. Now I'm familiar with stuff like this, but this is for your consumption. So the following day, my money did not come. Then on Friday, it came 2 days after. Okay, so where is this money, right? For you to get that, I will just come to finance or finance. I'll just come to finance. Then I'll click on withdraw. It's loading. Then I'm going to request withdraw. So this was the amount that was credited. If you remember the first account, there was $330 there, and the second account there was $221, which should be $552. But why was I credited $388? It is what I signed up for. So for every profit you make, the kind of account I'm operating, the Express Pro account, there is always a profit split. You split the profits with consummate traders. You take 70%, you take 30%. That's the arrangement. And if you do 70% of $552, this is what you get. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Now, I want to withdraw this full amount. Will they pay me? We're about to find out. So I'm going to use USDT. They pay with USDT TRX. So I'm going to copy and paste my wallet address here. I've copied it. Let me paste. Yes, how much do I want to withdraw? I want to withdraw everything. 388. Yes. So this is how much I'm going to receive. USDT 376. I hope you know one USDT is equal to $1. So this will be $376. So let's request. Enter the security code I sent to your email. That's not a problem. I'll do that. So whenever you want to make a withdrawal request, they are going to send you two codes. One to your email address, then the second code will be sent to a Google Authenticator. So I've requested for the code and they've sent it. So I'm going to put the code here. Then the second one, I'll just go to my Google Authenticator app to fetch that one. Yes, I'm doing that. Okay. So yes, I've sent the request and you can see, can you see they've zeroized my account because I removed everything. So I have $0 left. Okay, so one thing I want you to know is whenever you make a withdrawal request, it takes another 2 to 3 days for that money to arrive in your wallet, your crypto wallet. So let's see if they are actually going to send that money there. I'll be back with an update. So far so good. Everything seems to be working fine. But I've not seen my money. It has not appeared on my crypto wallet. It's until I see it appear on my crypto wallet that I can sleep comfortably. So I'll be back with another update. Yes, guys, they've eventually paid. They paid the next day. As you can see, they paid 372.62 USDT, which is technically the same as $372 out of $388. The difference is the processing fee. And I got a notification from my crypto exchange, which is Bybit, and you see they paid me the money. The VAR check has been completed. They are trustworthy so far. They've been paying. However, it takes a while for them to process your payment. That's the only thing I see here. And again, there are a lot of charges on their platform. You have to split your profit with them when you want to move your money from the platform to your crypto exchange or whatever exchange you are using. They're also going to charge. But the reason why I use them first is to teach. I have other accounts. I have my own personal accounts. Technically, I just have $250 to play with on each of those 3 accounts, right? But because I bought a $5,000 account, I can take on more trade. I can use higher leverage. So that is the good thing about it. I've come to the end of this video. I believe you found value. I believe you know better now. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Till I come your way again, signing out, your boy, the boy Heja. Bye-bye.